We are pleased to show you 2021 GR Supra. The Toyota GR Supra combines design, performance, and safety. Heads will turn as you cruise down the street in this sports coupe. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.